Many customers frequently reach out with a specific and perplexing question. Why does their Insulating Glass sealing robot line operate flawlessly when applying sealants at angles of 0, 90, and 180 degrees, yet encounters a critical issue at 270 degrees where the sealant nozzle simply fails to properly adhere to the glass surface? To help address this common concern, we've developed a comprehensive, step-by-step troubleshooting guide. First and foremost, examine the stability of the air pressure within the workshop. Air pressure fluctuations are a primary culprit behind this problem. The downward force exerted by the sealant nozzle relies entirely on a consistent supply of air pressure. When the air pressure in the workshop is unstable, perhaps due to issues with the main air compressor, leaks in the pneumatic piping system, or even excessive demand from other machines sharing the same air supply, directly impacts the nozzle's ability to maintain the necessary downward pressure. At 270 degrees, which can be a more mechanically and pneumatically challenging angle for the system, these pressure variations become even more pronounced, disrupting the nozzle's adherence to the glass. Next, turn your attention to the settings of the pressure regulating valve. This valve plays a pivotal role in controlling the air pressure that reaches the sealant nozzle. If the pressure output from the regulating valve is either insufficient or inconsistent, it will severely hamper the nozzle's capacity to maintain uniform and proper contact with the glass surface. An under-pressured valve might not provide enough force for the nozzle to stay firmly in place at 270, while an erratically pressured valve can cause the nozzle to jerk or lose contact altogether during the sealing process. It's essential to calibrate this valve precisely according to the machine's specifications and the type of sealant being used. Should these initial checks not resolve the problem, rest assured that our dedicated technical support team is on standby. We are making insulating glass machines, sealing robots, vertical glass washing machines, double glazing lines for already 18 years with full of experiences. We are producing IGU lines, insulating glass machine, insulating glass argon gas filling line, insulating glass sealing robot line, and all kinds of special shaped glass sealing robot, insulated glass household appliances with wire sealing robot. We have our own technology to supply you customizable IGU machines and lines.
Contact Lingbo for free machine selection solutions.